So coming back to the examination part, the certification part, which is important, there are multiple careers which are available in front of you. So you could select the, let me just show you the document, the certification guide of Salesforce. You can basically attempt the administrator as well as the app builder. You can try the administrator the certification and the app builder certification based on whatever we have covered in the exam. This document is shared with you, so you don't worry about it. It gives you a complete guide as to all the exams that you have. The other exams are a little difficult and they have their own difficult paths, but we have even covered the service cloud. You could try the service cloud even after this, but initially you need to try the admin exam. All right, so you have to go and finish the platform builder, app builder also. So with this two you can start off with your uh, you can start off with a small paths in Salesforce, and your career will definitely improve. And try to get into an admin role, or try to configure after finishing the demo projects that I have given you. Try to complete the project in your office or take a pilot project. So complete your work and attempt the administrator or the app builder exam within 3 weeks of this course. Also go through some dumps. Do not go to the exam without practicing at least 500 to 300 questions. So that links are shared with you. So how to get certified is, first you need to create an account with WebAssessor. Once you create a WebAssessor account, you can register for any exam. It will show you all the exams that are available. WebAssessor, see the URL here, and you can take any exam. Each of the exam is $200. So and there are you have to maintain it every year for $100. So those exams will not be proctored, it will be from home, but the first exam you'll have to find a center and go and give the exam and come. So that is the certification part. Also your Trailhead account you need to link. Whatever Salesforce Trailhead, search for Salesforce Trailhead and create an account and link it, because you are going ahead, the certifications are going to get maintained in Trailhead. So link both of this. So this is the part for the exams. Go through the guides. Uh, so once you complete this course, if you're interested, you can go ahead and give the exams in 2 to 3 weeks time. Also some of the links of the dumps are shared for you. Alright, then best of luck.